Guys, I will show you the password for the thingy. Okay, password. I will create a password. I made a password that is called free admin. And if you want to get infinite scores and time, just nothing is just this. You have 1001, I don't know, and you will have 1 billion times. Tether, beam, blah blah blah. Food, okay, blah blah blah. If you see this, you are lucky because I will show you the features in the game. Okay. The password is for this game. The free password for this game. The admin password is free admin knowledge, like this. Free admin knowledge, this thing. This like that. So guys, I'm gonna create a lot of games because my other games like Beta Pablo Simulator, someone played it. I don't know what his name, but I created it when it was 2025, I think. I don't know. If you tap the black hole so much, it will teleport you to back home. So that is goodbye.